This is accounting equation problem. For example, in accounting equation problem, how we can solve the question. For example, one question is given here. Show the effect of the following transaction of assets and liabilities and capital of Mr. Ajay Kumar. For example, this kind of question is given to us. Okay, through the accounting equation, what we have to do, show the effect of the following transaction of assets and liabilities, how it will affect, and capital of Mr. Ajay Kumar through the accounting equation. Okay, how it will be affected. For example, he started business with a cash of 20,000. He accepted good for cash 10,000. Purchased good on credit from Mr. Krishna 8,000. Good sold goods for cash costing 8,000 and 10,000. Withdraw 1,000 from business in cash to pay for his private expenses. Electricity bill paid 100. He sold goods on credit costing 5,000 to Mr. Sunanda 6,000. Rent outstanding 4,000. He borrowed 5,000 from Mr. Kishore and purchased goods for cash 10,000. Total 10 entry we have. Now let's see how these entries will affect accounting equations. Okay, first we have to write accounting equation. What is the accounting equation? How we can write the accounting equation? This is a way where we can write the accounting equation. Okay, accounting equation. Accounting equation is equal to, what is accounting equation? Assets is equal to, asset means capital plus liability, or liability asset is equal to liability plus capital. This is the accounting equation screen. This is the accounting equation formula. Okay, otherwise if you are not getting this formula, I'll write this into the some like liability plus capital. Okay, this is the accounting equation. Otherwise you can also see like this. Okay, this is the accounting equation. Okay, what we have to do, first serial number means we have 10 equation. How, let's see. Particular, here assets, here liabilities, here is a capital. How it will affect? For example, see, first entry is Mr. Ajay Kumar. He started business with cash of rupees 20,000. Means Mr. Ajay Kumar started business with cash. Start business with cash. How much was the cash? 20,000. Okay, for assets, how much we have? Cash 20,000. Liabilities, no effect. Capital, yes, the effect will be there. This is the first entry. Let's go for second entry. He purchased goods for cash 10,000. He purchased goods for cash. He purchased goods. Purchase goods for cash. How much? 10,000. So whether we have got goods means definitely we have 10,000 plus 10,000 we got the good, but in earlier amount is 20,000, we have lost 10,000 also, because in cash, because the cash converted into goods now. Okay, so this one it should be red amount. Okay, now what is the, okay, till second, here we have add or less, we have still 20,000 only, here also 20,000 only, here also 0. Okay, now for the third equation, purchase goods on credit from Mr. Krishna for 8,000. We have purchased goods from Krishna on credit. Purchase goods on credit, the amount is 8,000. So we have got 8,000 goods, its asset increase, plus it is on credit means liability we have got, but not in the capital it is 0 only. Okay, so after third entry, what is the present amount? Here it is 28,000, here 8,000, here 20,000. Now for fourth entry, see, sold goods for cash costing rupees 8,000 for rupees 10,000. Sold goods for cash, the main cost of the goods is 8,000, but the amount we sell means total 10,000. So we have got 2,000 extra. So what we have got? We have got sold goods for 10,000, which cost was 8,000. Means we have got 10,000 profit, with that we have got 8,000 loss of goods. Loss means sale of goods, the goods are gone. Okay, with that we have got profit also. Profit means 2,000 should be added in capital. So now after happen of this entry, now let's see what is the extra amount we have got. Total 30,000 we have here only 8,000 we have, here 22,000. Let's go with fifth entry. Withdraw 1,000 from business in cash to pay for his private business. Withdraw 1,000 from business. Look, how much is the amount? Okay, 1,000. Look, if he withdraw cash means we will lose cash 1,000. It is from business means definitely capital will be reduced. So after effect of this entry, the remaining amount will be 29,000, here 8,000 only, tail liability here 21,000. Okay, now let's go with the sixth entry. Okay, the electricity bill paid for 100. Electricity bill paid, electricity bills paid. Okay, how much? 100, means 100 cash will be less, here 0, capital also. If hundreds of okay, electricity bill 100 rupees paid means from profit it should be less, because electricity is a indirect expenses, and from profit that indirect expenses should be less, profit will be reduced. Okay, so this minus amount should be in red, so we'll get easy understanding. These are it. Okay, so after this entry, the remaining amount is 28,900, here 8,000, here 20,900. Go for 7. When we count for 7, he sold goods on credit costing 5,000 to Mr. Surendra for 6,000, costing, which cost was 5,000 but the amount he sold is 6,000. Sold goods for 6,000, which cost was 5,000. Means if he sold the goods, means goods will be less, but the sundry debtors amount should be increased. So plus 6,000 he got, and okay, here minus 5,000, because 5,000 cost of goods is gone. Okay, we have got 1,000 profit. 1,000 profit means after passing this entry, what is the effect? We can see the effect is here. 1,000 increase, 29,900. Here 8,000 only. Here 1,000 means 21,900. Now go for 8th. Rent outstanding. 8 is rent outstanding. Rent outstanding. Rent outstanding means how much is the rent? Rent is 400. Now let's see. Outstanding, it won't affect here. Here it will be affect. 400 we have to pay for liability, but not in the okay capital. It because of the profit it will reduce. If it is outstanding means it will come under the P&L account, so it will be minus. Here the profit will be reduced. So after the effect of this entry, the after passing this entry, the effects will be like this. Here 29,900, here 8,400, here 400 will be reduced, means 21,500 only. Now go for 9th one. Borrowed from Mr. Kishore. What he did, he borrowed 5,000 from Mr. Kishore. He borrowed means borrowed 5,000 from Kishore. Borrow means he will get cash 5,000 definitely, but still the liability will be increased because syndicates. Now after passing these entries, the effect will be like this. What is the effect? 34,900 here, here is 13,400, here 21,500. Okay, here is 0. Now let's pass last final entry. Purchase goods for cash 2000. Purchase goods for cash. How much? 10,000. 2000. It will be 2000. If goods purchase means good will come plus 2000, but is for cash means minus 2000. Cash will out of the company. Okay, definitely, and that won't affect any liability and capital also. So after passing this entry, what is the effect? The effect will be like this. After passing the entry, the accounting equation means this is 34,900 only. Here we can find 13,400 only. Here 24,500 only. Okay, when you passing the accounting equation, now you will find new equation. This is the new equation, you can say new equation. This is a new equation, 34,900. Let's calculate these two, whether 34, this is a 20,000, this is 30 means 10,000, add for 30,000, this is 34,000, 35,000, 33, and add this 1,000, 34,500 and 400, total 900, 34,900. The accounting equation. This is a new equation, it is prepared. Okay, you can do accounting equation like this, whether it's effect or not. This is the way of creating accounting equation. This is how you can create the accounting equation.